Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing the logic of the T points usage, and for that I have some examples. Uh, I've designed some circuits. So let's start with this one, the first one. We have X3 terminal strip and one uh, like two terminals in this strip, X31, X32. And first of all, here I've used this T point, this one, and it means I want to show in the terminal plan that X31 terminal is connected to H3 and the connection X1. So, so as you can see in the T point, uh, it shows that first to the left side, and also I have two terminals here. So the thing that I'm trying to do is to bridge these two connections, like to for the jump, like as a jumper. And let's basically go and generate the terminal plan and terminal connection plan, and also wiring list also is a good plan to show uh, the target connections. So okay, so yes, here is my terminal plan. Uh, as you can see, X3, the terminal strip X3, and the terminal number 1 is connected to H3 X1 connection. So as you can see, the jumper is also here. Let's go back, or terminal connection plan. Yeah, here in the terminal connection plan, you can also see the device and the field. And also in the panel, it's connected to H3, the connection X1, and also the jumper is uh, is shown here. So let's go back to the design. Uh, Also in the on the terminal strip in the cabinet, um, maybe this is a no, this is a better example. So let's keep going with this one. Here I've used a different T point. Again, this one, but like with a changed angle. So to change the angle, to rotate the symbol, we need to hold the Alt key from the keyboard and scroll the mouse wheel like this, and you can change the angle of this symbol. So the one that I've used here is this one. But no, sorry, I think yes, I need to change this because it's the same. So let's change this one with this. No, yes, with this one. So here I'm trying to say that first that I want to show in the terminal plan H1 and the connection X1 first of all. So let's go to the terminal plan, and X3 terminal strip, the terminal number 3 is H1 X1. Let's go back and check H1 X1. So it's right. Um, but let's make a change here. So instead of this, let's use this one, this one. So what kind of an effect are we gonna see in the terminal plan? Let's see. So, so in this case, it's gonna be H3x1, H3, no, let's H3x1. Let's do the um, generation again. H3x1. Okay. So it's again the right one. Okay. So let's now go to the third one, which is with this one I've used yes, just before as the same. But here I want to show that the logic here is actually I want to show in the terminal plan that the fourth conductor terminal in the terminal strip X3 is connected, that I want to show it in the terminal plan that H6 the connection X1 um, and so from the same terminal is actually like this. So this is the fourth. So from the same terminal, there are two different cables, and it goes from there to there. But in the terminal plan, you only see the H1, sorry, H6, but is actually connected to the both of them. So in the terminal connection plan also, you only see the H6 one in the cabinet, but in the wiring list, you can see, and let's number first wires. Let's do this one number. So here, let's go to the wiring list. So is this one. H6 X1 is connected to X34, X34 again to H5 X1. So with that T point, you can show the both side with the different, but again, the the numbering method must be just to show because both are 003, 0003, but one of them is point 0.1, point 0.2. So we need that separation just to show it more detailed. And one thing that I wanted to show you also, that here the logic is actually the jumper is like obviously that there is a jumper here. So this is how we bridge these two terminals. So let's go to the fourth example and let's change this one, for example, to to this one. And let's go to C. Because the logic is actually the same, H4x1, because I say first go to the right, like it means that I want to show that this terminal is connected to H4x1, and in the terminal plan, what I see is the same in the terminal connection plan as well, but let's do the numbering one more time. So like this, and in the wiring list, I can also see the both like H2 X1 to H4 X1. So this is actually So here the connection that I want to show you is not this one. So it means the T point that I used is actually not the correct one. So it must be one of those. This one, either, depending on which one you want to show in the terminal plan, or this one, this one, this or this.